So this is my red velvet. Sorry, again I said I always end up saying red velvet touch brush, the one that I introduced you in the beginning. So you see it has a very thin liner. It's a very thin liner. So here you can see and understand how thin I can get from just one brush stroke. So I really love this brush for, I don't need if I have this brush, I feel I don't need a rigger brush. Rigger brush is mostly used for these kind of line work, or when you want to add some little details. All these rigger brushes are used. What I'm doing here now is I'm adding some greens. I'm making these stems green areas wherever I'm going to be making or adding any kind of leafy green characters. So if you see, I keep switching my colors. I keep adding and mixing two different types of greens, variations of greens. So here there's a lighter green, there's darker green here. Mostly I like to mix my colors with sap green, create a variations of shades in sap green. This is a darker sap green. This is one of my favorite colors in sap green, in a green. This is from Daniel Smith. This shade is called deep sap green. It's really nice and intense. I like how it is textured. So I like to also sometimes use this color, mix this color with a turquoise. So turquoise or a lavender mix, you get a nice. The shade definitely changes, and it's a nice variation. So what I'm doing is I'm converting the whole thing. I'm adding more strokes, and I'm adding all green. So I'm leaving some spaces in the middle where I will be adding my flowers, wherever I feel I want to add more flowers. So here I feel I'm going to make another flower, like same thing, mirroring over here probably. So what I'm going to do is here I'm erasing the line because I don't want the line anymore. So now you've already got the gist of all the circle framework basically. So you don't need the lines anymore. You can erase them wherever you see these lines. Wherever you are, you can just erase them. Now it's all about wherever you want to add these lines. So I've kept the whole green. This side of my wreath is darker green, and this side of my wreath is all lighter green. Now you would ask why did I keep it light and dark over here? What did I have in mind? So actually I did not have anything in mind. It was more of instinctive why I wanted to do this. So it was quite very instinctive why I did it. Okay. So I'll add some green. So here I'm going to be adding some leaves in green, so I can just fast forward it, the whole process. And last few leaves, and then we would start adding all the little bit of flowers, wildflowers. Sorry, flowers, wildflowers. So it would be great if you guys could let me know what do you like to learn from me more. I love painting flowers, and obviously I do love painting a lot of landscapes too, which I'll be incorporating more now. But if there is something that's specific that you want to learn from me, or you think I could add more value in it by teaching something specific, please do let me know. Please do subscribe to our channel for more content, like fresh content. We are posting every week, every Friday at around 5 with new video on calligraphy or watercolors, something new every week. So now I'm done with adding leaves and flowers here. I'll add one more here. Okay, I accidentally made another, like in the sake I forgot. I've left this space for a flower, so do not do this. But I'll make it somehow. I'm going to be adding some flower here, and overlapping a lot of places. So, round 2. Now let's paint another peony over here. I'm going to rotate the paper. Now, I'm going to be using this color. I really like it, so I think it will add a nice balance of light in the whole wreath. Since this side of the whole wreath is darker shade green, so when I add a color like this over here, I think it will brighten up. So I'm going to be making a peony with this. You can learn the step-by-step peony. I've created the 2 different videos and step-by-steps of how to paint a peony. The link is on the right side of this video, top right of this video. You can go there and see the video, learn peony, and come back. So now, in some spaces, I'm going to add these yellow little white flowers, yellow and orange. So I'll team them up with yellow and orangish little ones. So see, if you see now, this orange and yellow is creating a nice, fresh, vibrant look to the whole wreath. Now this side, what I'll do is I'll make similar orangish flowers, but a little different way. I hope you guys had a good time and got to learn a lot from me here today. Please do let me know. You can share all your work with me. I would love to see them. I do love, like, a lot of you share your work with us on Instagram. We are on Instagram called Me With a Pencil. If you don't know me, I am Nilofer. I am a watercolorist, a self-taught watercolor artist. I love painting florals, landscape, seascape to be precise, and I love also painting something that has a path, a way to paint. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And see you next week. Thank you and bye-bye.